Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video we will talk about, as usual, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'll give you some altcoin updates. We will go back test our signal that I have provided you recently and how that signal has been performed for you guys. So let's get into it without wasting any more time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do make sure to subscribe to the channel because on the daily basis you guys gonna get a update about the market, free signals, and a lot more. All right, so let's get into the Bitcoin chart and what the Bitcoin is saying right now and what could be the possible next setup. You can see it clearly right here. So let me just remove this for you and let me make you understand what exactly is going on inside the market right now. Basically, this, after making a top at $25,300, we've been inside a downtrend. Okay, we've been inside this downtrend and you can see this, it's clear. Okay, now this is a turn, this could be a turning point. If we get a break above this in a retest, then we will again gonna test 24,000 to 25,000, this level, that is going to be 24,500 to 700, and then this will be the next range of 25,000 to 200 to $300. Okay, so what we are looking at right now, in order to get a bullish momentum inside the market, we first need a break above it, and then only then we will be looking for any longs opportunity right now. All right, and if we again get a rejection, might be we can make a new low and then we can try to test this level again. But recently, because of we have lost this support, let me make you understand what exactly I'm talking about. As we lost this support, many had opened up many short positions right here in the zone. So in order to liquidate all of them, and then there's a huge long liquidations in the recent days because many people were many bullish, many have caught their longs position right at this top, which was at 25,200 to $300, and many have got already stopped out right here. Who have not, they have got stopped out right here. And now many are thinking that we will be going short. Many were thinking that this is the point where we will see another breakdown. Okay, this breakdown, I took the short, I made a good profit. Okay, at this breakdown, this was a complete wick to liquidate all the shorts. Okay, to liquidate the shorts, there was a quick wick to make the market makers, what they do is try to manipulate the market. They try to push the price down at the point in which you start to think that this is the point where the market is turning downside. Now when everybody again start thinking that now we are again steading up, again Bitcoin is trying to give a consolidation range, which is this range. This is the range in which $23,300 to $500. If we get a break above $500, okay, if we get a break about $23,500, in that case what we can do is we can look for a long opportunity inside the markets. I have also some of the altcoins that are ready with me that I will surely gonna be sharing it with my premium family. So if you want to join right now, do make sure to join it right away right now. Do make sure to join it right away right now because you are going to be getting immense amount of profit on the daily basis, guys. Let's jump onto the Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, what we are watching out right now, Ethereum has been consolidating inside this bull flag, and if we get a break below this bull flag, that would not be going to be good. Which will give us a range. Just excuse me for a moment. So Ethereum is right now, after breaking out this zone, we have seen a good upside move inside the price of Ethereum. It was weekend, and I truly don't want my trades to be opened up on the weekends because there is a lot of manipulation. There is not actual buying or selling. There is a low volume inside the market, but in this low volume we have seen this upside move, which is okay, which is actually good. But right now what we need to understand is Ethereum is holding this zone which is of 1634, And if we are able to break below this, which would not be good, because in this range there is no volume, and when there is no volume, then there will be a quick fall to this level. There will be 1596 or $1,600. But what we see is right now, if we see in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that clearly it's a bull flag. Okay, it's a bull flag. In order to get a break, once we get a break above this range, in this case what we can expect is, we can expect a range high to this level of 1686 to $1,672 for a scalping purpose. So if you are a risk taker right now, what you can do is, you can, I'm just providing you a scalping, very tight scalping setup. Okay, nothing is a financial advice. Okay, I'm trying to scalp it off, so just thought of providing you the same update. Okay, so this will be the range. You can I'm sorry, you can see the stop loss is 1621. You can book your profits at 1671. Okay, what is your entry point? So your entry point is 1635. But if you see a break below this range, this 1 hourly candle, in this case you could simply need to close your position and just don't get into this trade. Another good setup that I'm looking for. All right, let's get into the next one, the BNB. I'm looking forward to this chart because it's been holding up this support. It's been holding up a support area of $302, which is pretty good. Yesterday I put up this chart which was promising to me, and I took a little scalp trade which I booked it right here. Didn't try to get into much of a risk yesterday, so as I was already holding OP trade which went. I'll also explain you in the rate part. So let's just talk about BNB right now. So what is happening right now? It's a 4 hourly time frame, and the 200 EMA. So which is the 200 EMA? The 200 EMA is the yellow one. And if we get a complete closure above this one, in that case it will be a pretty bullish, and we can see a upside move inside the price of BNB. Okay, and the same is with the 1 hourly time frame. So nearly around $306 if we are getting a break above it, about this trend line, this downtrend, and this is a major support of 302. I believe this could be one of the finest trade that could give us immense amount of profit in the upcoming days. Still guys, nothing is a financial advice. Whatever I'm trying to see inside the market, what I have analysis, I'm just trying to provide you, I'm just trying to educate you. Moreover, we need to see how the Bitcoin is reacting. As I told you, I still expect that we can go upside for $24,000, $25,000, and if so, is gonna be the point where I will start booking my profits. Okay, and then if there is a break about 25,000, then in that case I will be holding some of my parts, which will also gonna give me a good profit. Coming up with the next, the one of the finest trades guys. This trade I provided you in the previous video, and that had already given us, you can see that, you can clearly see that it had already given me 591% profit. With a single $100 investment, you are making $590 guys, and this is something immense guys. I'm providing you great opportunities on the daily basis. You just need to understand the risk and the reward. Whichever amount that you can supposed to risk, just go with that amount. Don't go blindly, if I'm saying so. You need to average, you need to understand the market sentiments, and you don't need to get worried when the trade is going against you. Okay, so many people get worried, but you just need to understand. We have just, if you see, we have got saved with this such tight stop loss. Okay, anyway, what I'm trying to make you understand is guys, just be ethical with your trading setups, and that's how you would be able to generate a lot of money on the daily basis. All right, for the signals, today I will be providing you on my Telegram, so do make sure to join it. The link is in the description right now. Swipe up, go inside the description, check my Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, join all of them. You can get a great opportunities on the daily basis. This is the last one. Why I'm a little bit of bullish on the Ethereum is just because Ethereum BTC chart had already given us a breakout, and once the Ethereum is bullish, it will push the alts with him. So overall, I also want the Bitcoin to move ahead. If that's happening, then it's going to be a very good opportunity for the market to make a lot of money this week. This was all about the quick market update and analysis. I hope you guys have learned a lot and would be making an immense amount of profit in the coming hours or days. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.